Hi, it's me. I'm back, and I'm here to talk to you about so how to load stuff into Gephi so that you can use community detection to do all sorts of important and fun work. So where do we want to begin? Let's begin with this. So let's say in your card sort you get something like things that bounce, things that roll, things that fly. And somebody and you ask your user to label the group. Motion, let's say. Let's do another group. Let's flies, ants, giant larvae, locusts, poisonous spiders. Now that giant larvae is not an insect, so we can't say insect. Let's say bugs. Okay, so yeah, with that large U. And just for fun, let's have another group. Things that annoy me, things that really annoy me, things that provoke. Oops, need an underscore. Why do we need those underscores? Because if we load it into Gephi, we're going to need them. Things that drive me to distraction. Okay, so skills class. Now I know I need an apostrophe here, but I'm not putting it in. But here we have what? We have three lists, and here are the labels that are. So in the top are the labels that our user, let's say, gave them. So I want to load these into a spreadsheet. So what do? I have these three lists. I'll use these headers. Click, click, click. Go here. There are my headers. So I'll take these three first. Okay, so these are list items, right? So I put the list items in the target. And motion is the label. Okay, so let's get this list. Bugs. So now you need to make sure that you spell everything the same way again and again, right? So if I have bugs up here with that uppercase U, then I need to reproduce that. So a way to do that is either data validation or just this, right? Just copy, paste. And so then I take, here we go, things that annoy me, things that, here we go, click, 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 and click, click, click. And click, click, click. All right. So now I need to make sure there are no spaces here. So what do? Control F. Let's see if I've got any spaces. Let's move this up so I can get to replace all. There were a bunch of spaces. Okay, so let's see if there are any double spaces. So that would have Gephi would have barfed all over that. Replace all, no matches. Okay, so we've purged ourselves of spaces, I believe. We need your type will always be undirected. So let's just grab that. And there we are. Okay, so and we can download this. So as a comma separated. Where's download? Ah, there we are. Download this as a comma separated value something or other. Did we get that right? Comma? Yeah. No, we did not. Let's cancel that. We need comma separated values. Comma separated value. Download as comma, tab separated. What the hell? Okay, so save as untitled spreadsheet. Okay, we didn't title it. Let's call it random groups. And where do we want this? let's put it on the desktop so I can find it. Save. Where'd it go? Up, there it is. Okay, so let's open up Gephi, shall we? Let's open up Gephi. Gephi. Where is Gephi? Oh, open. I'm waiting for Gephi to appear, waiting for it to appear, and here it is. It appeared on a different screen, but I will open this up here. So it opens up with this. You can just click that away. Just for fun, I'm going to import the spreadsheet I just made, the random spreadsheet. So let's go to desktop. Where is it? Random group spreadsheet. Yeah, there we are. Open. Yeah, it's working. Next. And finish. Yeah, fine. Okay. So there's my tiny hairball because we only had a few nodes. But we go here and we do what? We want labels, so let's copy data to other column, ID to label, okay. We go to overview, so click this, and there we are. Now, this is a very sparse network, so it's really not going to do much for us. Let's look at a richer network, shall we? So let's, new project, save, do not save, this is ridiculous. So import spreadsheet, and this is some names data that I gathered from, this is over here. Desktop, random, where did it go? Let's see. I know I downloaded this before. Oh, I know what I did. I didn't download it yet. Okay, so let's go here. Let's move this. We're moving that. Let's go back to here. This is the names data I was talking about. I used it in a classroom demonstration. Let's get rid of this. Let's open up this. Download this as separated values, separated values. Download, separated values. Save as. Where do I want to put this? Desktop, so I can find it to delete it later. Okay, so social network. Yep, perfect. Got it. Let's get rid of this. Let's minimize this. Let's bring Gephi back to the fore. We open this. File, open. Import spreadsheet. Sorry, import spreadsheet, and so we need to drill down for that spreadsheet. Desktop. So that is desktop. Why am I not? Oh, there it is. Social network heavily. Yep, perfect. Open it. So we check it out. Looks good. Interval. Yeah, everything's fine here. So parallel edges, graph type undirected, everything looks good. Okay, there's our hairball. And so now if we click the text button, it's not going to help us much, right? So we need to go to the data laboratory and copy the ID. So it's inferred from our edge table, right? What we uploaded was an edge table. And it infers the node table from the edge table, but it doesn't infer the labels. So we need to copy data to column from ID to label. Okay, there it is. Now when we go to overview, we click this, and there are the names. So now we want to go to statistics. So we're going to run modularity class. So it's going to show you this. Now stop to admire it. Okay, this is a sensitive program. It has an ego just like you do. So admire what it gives you and then dismiss it. So go to the data laboratory and look, it's given you a data modularity class column. This is actually the graph. This is the visualizer. This is the graph. Visualizer, graph. So this is a graph visualizer. The graph is actually a table. So graph equals vertices, comma, so edges. Vertices are the nodes. The edges are these lines that connect the nodes. Okay, but we want to do what designers do, right? So we want to make the structure visible. So how do we do that? First we'll so nodes. This is the color palette. We attach. So we click partition. And modularity class, and it gives us a range of colors. You can adjust them if you wish, but I never do. And then click apply, and see, there you go. The edges that connect the various groups that the community detection, see where it says community detection, that community detection has detected, so are now of a of a color that allows you to identify the communities. Okay, so then we click, we want to size the nodes such that they reflect the density of the group. So we click ranking, modularity class. So I click this, right? Then I click ranking, then modularity class. Now I'm going to adjust this from to 20. 20. Oh, I don't have my numlock key on. 20. I do have my numlock. What the hell? Okay, let's just go like this. What is going on? Why can I not adjust this? I don't know. What the hell is going on? That's weird. It's not allowing me to degree. Modularity class. Why is it not? Well, can I click it this way? Yep. So there we are. Since I cannot do it the right way, I'm just going to crank it up to 20 here. 20. There we are. Now, can I do this? 80. I don't know why that's not working. That's really irritating. But let's just crank this up to, let's see, can I do this now? Nope. Okay, so I'm just going to have to hit this a million times. Okay, so sit with me while I count through this. So 20, 30, 40. Click, 50, 60. That's the cool thing about these weird hackerish programs, right? They always give you a workaround when things don't work, because things often don't work. Okay, so and here we go, 80.5. Let's go with 81.5. No, I want just 80. There we are, 80. Okay, so apply, click, and there we are. Okay, so now, okay, I see the groups, and this is great because, like, again, this looks like a seating chart for the third years. So it totally predicts who they have, who they like to hang out with. So now I can take an additional step. I go to filters, topology, and degree range, drag degree range down, and it gives me this degree range settings, right? So say I want to look at the most dense groups, right? So that means the most degree, the most links coming in and out. The most dominant groups, let's say. Dominant's the wrong word, but the most densely. So I just crank up the filter and see what, let's say, this group. With Emma, okay, so very much dominates. And I can like crank that up even more if I want. Wait, let's have a look. It's not moving. Oh, let's stop. Okay, so move it up. Filter. Look at that. And it changes what's in the data laboratory too. Now, if I want to save this, okay, so I can save this to a export filter to a new workplace. So that's here now, and I can add the labels again. Okay, so go back to my original workspace and stop filtering. Now I can compare this to this, this to this. And this will look great in your report as you like tell me, okay, so here are the groups that had the most, that were the strongest in terms of their degree density. So in degree, out degree. So it doesn't matter in this case, just degree, because this is an undirected graph. Anyway, and you can export this. You can export that. You can export. I'm sorry. You can export this. You can export that. Yeah, and look, you can do this. So in order to detect groups, right? So you can move nodes if you need to read something. Now, this is irritating me because I can't seem to, I need to separate. Ugh, there we go. There we are. I managed to separate Nick and Amira. So let's see if I can, there we go. Rehaf. So freed her from Sam. And there we are. Yes, this is so much fun. Okay. So here endeth the lesson. I prepared this for Tanner, of course, but you're all welcome to use this. So it's a wonderful program with wonderful properties. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.